Juvly is bringing you awesome savings on Botox. Here's how it works. You don't have to be a new client to save, but if you're a Juvely member, your savings will be even bigger. Save $50 on a Botox wrinkle relaxer treatment between now and May 31st. Combine this with your membership savings. Save $70 on your next Botox treatment. Combine this with your membership savings as well. On your third Botox treatment, save $120 when you get 2 Voluma fillers together with your Botox treatment in the same visit. Plus $100 off each filler if you're a member. Your fourth Botox treatment at Juvely under this special will be completely free. Valid for the first 50 clients in each location. Starting right now. Must get a minimum of 30 Botox units each treatment. Additional rules and restrictions may apply. Book your Botox treatment at Juvely today.